So we have created a made in Sistem Air product. So this made in Sistem Air product, you can understand right away what we are talking about. This is the box that we are built into the wall. So with the very first innovation of the product, we kept it down to 86 millimeters. And within 86 millimeters, we also have the finishing plate and 169 millimeters. See here, many other important aspects concerning the installation phase. Say so, but the systems around the world that don't allow you to connect the many cables. In our system, we have created a specific box or case for cabling purposes. Okay, so with all the space required for your cables. As you can see, we have up to 15 meters. This is the maximum length of the hole. Let me now share with you another piece of innovation. Today you have this new option. This new optional system is available from our company, and you have the possibility to do the switch on and switch off directly from the handle of the broom. Same, I can switch it on, switch it off. We have built a metal-made cover. The cover is applied onto plastics. So I have an 8 millimeter thick system, but when I touch it, I feel it is rubber. You have 3 different colors available. So this one here that I really like, it says brushed steel. You also have the second one, which is the white finish. This says the neutral white. Top robustness all the time. And then we have the third one, which is a little unique, very special. The name is Pentagon. Of course, it is not delivered like this. I mean, this is a plate we have created with a special dripping finish. This means it can be painted with any kind of product. Water paint, synthetic paints, solvents. Can you see the plate, I mean the box here? You also have the possibility to change the tilt. So once again, this plate, thanks to our Sistem Air principle, you can make sure calculating microdusts. I can't think of a project without the decentralized system to feelings or sensations. Thanks to this, our partners around the world that can test the product, please send a mail to sends@sistemairgroup.com. Really would like to thank all of you. Thank you so much for your time and for your interest. Okay, so let's start from here. So let's start working. Please put us to the test. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.